1 minute later.
Oh, that's nice. Hopefully that gets a lot of posts. Yeah.
Many hours later.
Finally home. Let me see about my post. I wonder how much likes and stuff I got on it.
2 hours later.
Wait, what? I got 0 likes? I don't get this. Wasted all of that time. Surely, this was a waste of time. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call Jenny. She always said I could call her. She's gonna help me out with anything that I need, right?
12 seconds later.
Hey, Jenny. How's it going?
Oh, hey, Shelly. You seem happy right now. What made you call me this time?
Well, I just posted a picture yesterday on Instagram, and I got, like, nothing. I was wondering if you could help me out.
Well, you are just in luck, Shelly. I know a very simple way that you can gain a lot of likes on your photos and also earn money in the process. Would you like to know it?
Of course, Jenny. Yeah, tell me now. Tell me now.
I really love your energy, Shelly. It truly is amazing. Let me get it on my computer so I can show you everything, okay?
Sure, Jenny. I am really excited for this.
Me too. See you in a bit, Shelly.
See you, Jenny. Did you know that you can make $1,000 in PayPal money by simply using Quora? I've been talking a lot about Quora lately because not enough people use it, which is the good thing why you can go and use it yourself to make money. Yeah, especially in affiliate marketing because it's so underestimated. I promise. Which, by the way, if you want to learn how to make money online or affiliate marketing, which I totally love, then you seriously need to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of the stuff. Just like this video here about Quora. As soon as everybody gets it, everybody's going to do this. But if you're one of the first ones, well, then you're going to get to do it first, okay? Now, let's not wait no longer and jump into the video.
Hi, Shelly. Are you ready?
Heck yeah. You know I am always ready. Let's do this.
That's great. Let me show you this very easy and unique method. So, we've arrived at our first website, which is called Applip and can be accessed at applip.com. To put it another way, this is one-of-a-kind platform where you can buy Instagram followers and build your account much faster. What I like about it is the abundance of options available, which you can see for yourself by scrolling down on their main homepage right here. As a result, this platform and its services will be extremely beneficial to us in achieving this new way that I'm about to demonstrate to you, Shelly. Continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the website, where you will find the term affiliates under the Learn section. Simply click on it to be transported to this page right now.
Hi, Jenny, that's great and all, but can you tell me more about what the purpose is of being an affiliate around here?
That's a great question, Shelly. Well, let me show you. This is now the Applip Affiliate Program. And as you can see down below, it states that by using this website, people can build their Instagram followers faster while also earning commissions. So, for today's technique, Shelly, it will mostly focus on promoting Applip services. So this is where you persuade other people to buy their services in your name so that you can earn a lot of commissions. And if you scroll down a little farther, you'll see the steps to accomplish this.
This is great and all. How do I do this?
You are really eager to learn about this, Shelly. I love it. Let me teach you how.
You know me, I am always excited about this kind of stuff. Well, of course, not only me.
So the first step is to sign up for a free affiliate account with this website, which is another reason why I like it so much, because it is entirely free. The second step is to build your own unique URL, which you can then share with others. The final stage requires you to distribute your unique link around the internet. Later in this video, I'll show you a bonus website where you can publish these one-of-a-kind links and potentially make a lot of money. The fourth and last step is to get paid while employing this approach. And keep in mind that each purchase made by your affiliates can earn you a lot of money and a lot of percentages, which is quite great. And as you can see from the packages right here on their webpage, they have a lot to offer, which I guarantee you, Shelly, they will sell a lot of and a lot of people will adore. As a result, the earning potential of this strategy is endless when you advertise it. Also, keep in mind that everyone who purchases a monthly plan using your own affiliate link will pay you a significant percentage commission.
Whew, this is so cool and all. I mean, is that it, Jenny?
Well, of course not. I will now show you some more great features of this website.
Yay! Tell me more, Jenny. What is it?
Another fantastic advantage of this website is that you will not be required to purchase these packages yourself, considering that you only need to promote a few offers to make a lot of money. It's ridiculous to even imagine what this technique has in store for you. It's incredible to think that you may earn a year's worth of money by working for just a handful of hours, given its enormous earning potential. Another wonderful benefit is that you can track all of your subscriptions and earnings on your personal Uplift dashboard, and you will be paid directly by Uplift if the person you refer purchases packages. It's that simple. Back on the Uplift affiliate program, you can now create your own account by visiting this link and just signing up and filling out the boxes that require personal information, and you're good to go. Simply put, you are now an affiliate of this fantastic website. When you sign up, you'll also receive the one-of-a-kind link I described before, which you may publish on the internet and use to make a lot of money. Now that you have your account and personalized link, the next step is to share it online, which is where the extra website that I mentioned earlier comes in handy.
Wait, what? There's even another website? Then tell me!
Yes, Shelly, and I am sure you will love it. So just let me guide you, okay?
I am loving this. Tell me more.
So, the extra website is called Quora, and it can be accessed at Quora.com. So basically, this is a platform and a medium where a large number of people ask questions. It's a kind of questions forum around here. The amazing thing about this website is that there are a lot of individuals that ask a lot of questions on it, which means that your link will be checked out eventually. So, if you search for the words how to grow Instagram followers in the search bar right here, it will send you to this page. This is where they will now show you all of the related questions and forms to the question you just looked for. Given the large number of people who are interested in this issue, your customized link is in great demand among those trying to make a lot of money on Instagram. And if someone buys a package, you'll make a lot of money in commissions that might last for months or even years. So this is a terrific method to supplement your income and meet your basic necessities with a passive income stream. And if we click on one of the posts here on how to develop your Instagram followers, we can see that the query has answers. So we'll just answer these questions in this post along with your custom link to help them expand their Instagram followers. Just remember to tell them that if they click on your personal link, they'll earn guaranteed development in their own accounts and channels. Additionally, because you're providing them with a value and direct answer to their problem of acquiring a large number of Instagram followers, your response to their inquiries will be more meaningful than the others. So you can repeat this method for each question by simply pasting your answer along with your own affiliate link. And that's it! And because many people are interested in increasing their Instagram followers, you'll be able to produce a sizable passive income stream. And because it requires little to no effort, this will be an excellent way for you to make quick and simple money. And I'm confident that once you try it, you'll find it to be a lot of fun.
Wow, Jenny. I mean, like, you always come up with this awesome stuff and some really good websites.
Well, I have a lot more in store for you. But just call me whenever you need more of them, okay?
Of course, Jenny. I thank you so much. And I'm always excited to try out these new ideas that you have.
You are greatly welcome, Shelly. Just call me soon, okay? Stay safe out there. Bye!
See you, Jenny. Bye. Hey guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And do me a favor, because if you like these videos with me and Jenny, I'd appreciate it if you let me know in the comments so I know to keep doing them. Or if you don't like them, then I'll stop. But let me tell you something about affiliate marketing. If you liked this video, that is great. But what if I told you I had a way that you can make even more money, like big time money? You know what? All I need to say is the first link in the bio. That's it. Go check it out. Let me know what you think. And if you like this video, you're going to like the next video. So go ahead and check it out after you did the first link in the bio and watch that video because I am in it. So I will see you there. Get it?